Ever wondered what lies beyond the world of traditional investments? Beyond the stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that have been the cornerstone of finance for centuries? Well, welcome to the world of alternative investments. A world that's growing in popularity and potential. A world that's reshaping the investment landscape as we know it. So, what exactly are alternative investments? They are essentially any form of investment that is not a traditional stock, bond, or cash. This can include anything from real estate and commodities to private equity and hedge funds. They are often used by investors to diversify their portfolios, hedge against market volatility, and potentially generate higher returns. In recent years, the popularity of alternative investments has surged. According to a report by Preqin, the global alternative assets industry hit a staggering $6 trillion in 2023, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. This growth has been fueled by a combination of factors including low interest rates, market volatility, and a search for yield in an increasingly uncertain world. But why should you care? Well, alternative investments offer a range of potential benefits. They can provide diversification, offering exposure to different asset classes that can help spread risk. They can also offer the potential for higher returns, particularly in a low-interest rate environment. Furthermore, they can provide a hedge against inflation, something that's becoming increasingly important in today's economic climate. In this video, we're going to explore the evolving world of alternative investments. We'll delve into the latest trends, dissect their pros and cons, and look at what the future might hold for this exciting sector. We'll also share insights from industry experts and provide practical advice on how you can incorporate alternative investments into your own investment strategy. So, whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio or a newcomer to the world of finance, this video has something for you. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the brave new world of alternative investments. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of alternative investments. So, what exactly are alternative investments? Well, let's break it down. Alternative investments are financial assets that don't fall into the conventional investment categories of stocks, bonds, or cash. They are often used by investors to diversify their portfolios, aiming to achieve higher returns or hedge against market volatility. Firstly, we have real estate. This involves buying properties, whether residential or commercial, for the purpose of generating income through rent or appreciation over time. It's tangible, you can touch it, and it's been a go-to investment for centuries. Then there are commodities. These include physical assets like gold, oil, agricultural products, and more. Investments in commodities are typically used as a hedge against inflation, as their prices generally increase when the cost of living rises. Next up is private equity. This refers to investments in companies that are not publicly traded on a stock exchange. Private equity investors typically seek out businesses with high growth potential, aiming to increase their value before eventually selling for a profit. Hedge funds, on the other hand, are pooled investments that use a variety of strategies to earn active returns for their investors. They might invest in anything from stocks to derivatives, often using complex strategies like leverage, short selling, and arbitrage. And lastly, we have cryptocurrencies. These digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum have exploded in popularity over the past decade. Their volatile nature can lead to high returns but also significant risks. So how do these differ from traditional investments? Well, unlike stocks and bonds, alternative investments often have lower liquidity, meaning they can be harder to sell quickly. They also typically require a higher minimum investment, making them less accessible to the average investor. However, their potential for high returns and diversification benefits make them an attractive addition to many portfolios. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the latest trends. The landscape of alternative investments is ever-changing. What's hot right now? As we traverse the vast terrain of the finance industry, we find ourselves in a period of significant evolution. Recent years have seen the rise of several trends within the realm of alternative investments. First up on our radar is ESG investing. Short for environmental, social, and governance, ESG investing has been gaining traction as more investors are looking to make a positive impact on society and the environment. They're not just interested in the financial returns anymore, they want their money to contribute to a greener, more equitable world. With companies around the globe ramping up their sustainability efforts, ESG investing is definitely a trend to keep an eye on. Next, let's talk about a phenomenon that has been making headlines left, right, and center: cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others have transformed the way we think about money and investing. Despite the volatility and regulatory uncertainties, the popularity of cryptocurrencies doesn't seem to be waning anytime soon. They offer a unique combination of high risk and high reward that, for some, is simply too enticing to resist. And who could forget about the resurgence of real estate and private equity investments? While these might not be new kids on the block, they've been making quite a comeback. Real estate in particular has been a hot ticket item, with investors snapping up properties left and right amidst record low interest rates. Meanwhile, private equity has been drawing in investors with the promise of high returns in an otherwise low-yield environment. So there you have it, folks. From the rise of ESG investing to the popularity of cryptocurrencies and the comeback of real estate and private equity, these trends are shaping the future of alternative investments. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's worth keeping an eye on these trends. After all, in the world of alternative investments, the only constant is change. These trends are shaping the future of alternative investments. Like all good things, alternative investments come with their share of risks and rewards. Let's delve into the brighter side first, the pros. The lure of alternative investments often lies in the potential for high returns. These types of investments, which include everything from private equity and hedge funds to real estate and commodities, can offer a higher profit margin than traditional investments like stocks and bonds. Another significant advantage is the diversification benefits. Diversification in essence is not putting all your financial eggs in one basket. By including alternative investments in your portfolio, you're spreading the risk across different asset classes. This strategy can potentially reduce the impact of a poor-performing investment on your overall portfolio. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the cons. The first one is volatility. Alternative investments can be highly sensitive to market conditions, causing their value to fluctuate significantly. This volatility can lead to high returns, but also to substantial losses. A second disadvantage is the lack of regulation. Unlike stocks and bonds, many alternative investments are not regulated by government agencies like the Securities and Exchange Commission. This absence of oversight can lead to increased risk, as information about the investment might not be readily available or transparent. Additionally, alternative investments often require a higher initial investment than traditional ones. This requirement can make it difficult for some investors to participate, limiting their accessibility. Finally, these investments can also be less liquid than traditional ones. This means you may not be able to quickly convert these assets into cash without losing a substantial amount of your investment. In conclusion, while alternative investments can offer potential high returns and diversification benefits, they also come with risks related to market volatility, lack of regulation, and liquidity challenges. As a savvy investor, it's crucial to weigh these pros and cons carefully. Understanding these pros and cons can help you make informed investment decisions. After all, the goal is to grow your wealth, not to gamble it away. The world of alternative investments is dynamic and evolving, so what's next? As we look to the horizon, we see a future where digital assets play a significant role in the alternative investment landscape. Cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and digital tokens are disrupting traditional financial systems and paving the way for a new era of investment. With their potential for high returns and the ability to democratize access to wealth creation, digital assets are capturing the attention of investors worldwide. But the future of alternative investments isn't just digital, it's also socially conscious. Enter impact investing. This investment strategy focuses on generating social and environmental impact alongside a financial return. As more investors seek to align their financial goals with their values, we anticipate a growing interest in impact investing. This trend reflects a shift in the mindset of investors, from merely generating wealth to making a positive difference in the world. Moreover, we can't talk about the future without mentioning technology, specifically artificial intelligence. AI is starting to play a crucial role in investment strategies. From predictive analytics to robo-advisors, AI is helping investors make smarter, data-driven decisions. It's not just about replacing human judgment, but rather augmenting it. With the integration of AI, the process of identifying, analyzing, and investing in alternative assets could become more efficient and accurate. In conclusion, the future of alternative investments is shaping up to be an exciting one. It's a future brimming with digital assets, underpinned by social consciousness and powered by intelligent technology. And while these trends promise new opportunities, they also bring new challenges. But that's the nature of alternative investments. They're dynamic, they're evolving, and they're anything but predictable. As the world of finance continues to evolve, so too will the landscape of alternative investments.